Today I will cover a game between Tigran Petrosyan and Mikhail Tal from 1972. So this is basically a game between two great players. Also at the end of this video I have an interesting chess puzzle for you, so stay tuned for the chess puzzle and let's start the game. So Petrosyan with the white pieces opened with knight to f3. Now we have knight to f6 by Tal. c4 now transposing into English opening, and now we have e6. Knight to c3, now d5, striking in the center, and now d4 by Petrosyan. We have now c5. We have c captures on d5, knight captures on d5, and now e4. This is a standard theory. We have knight captures on c3, b captures on c3, c captures on d4, and c captures on d4. And now bishop to b4, check by Tal, and now bishop to d2, that's blocking. Now we have bishop captures on d2 with check. Now queen captures on d2. We have castles by black, and now bishop to c4, just preparing to castle. And now knight to d7, and now castles by white. Now we have b6, just preparing bishop to b7 to control this diagonal. Now we have a4, so white will just push a5. Now we have bishop to b7 as planned, and now rook f to e1, because this pawn is attacked by the bishop, so we have to protect that one. So now we have rook to c8, just attacking this bishop, and now bishop to d3. In this position, Tal played knight to b8, but knight to b8 is not the strongest move in this position. Instead of knight to b8, interesting line, also the engine's top move recommended by the engine is actually e5. If you play, so I will show you, if you play, what will happen if you play e5. So if black plays e5, then you have two options. You can play d5 or you can capture this pawn. Let's first see if what happens if you capture the pawn. If you capture the pawn, then we have knight to c5, just attacking the bishop, and after the bishop moves, now we have queen trade, queen captures on d2, knight captures on d2, and now knight to d7. Now there you can see there is a discovered attempt from the rook on the bishop, and you can also you are also threatening to capture this pawn, and after the bishop moves, then you can pick up this pawn. Now we have bishop to b5. Now black can capture this bishop. Now he captures on d5. Now in this position white has a fast pawn, but these two rooks and knight will cover this square, and this is very hard for white to push that pawn. So this is a possible line. So this is a possible line if you capture this pawn. And the second option is you can play d5. So if you play d5, now again we have knight to c5. Now after bishop to c4, now we have f6. And if you play this move, d6 with check, this will do nothing. Black can simply play king to h8. Now we have rook a to d1. Now there is a double attack on this pawn. And for the moment this bishop is protected by the knight. And after knight to h4, the queen to d7, and the game continues. So after bishop to d3, e5 is a very interesting move, and this is a top move recommended by the engine, but Tal played knight to b8, and now we have e5 by Petrosyan. So knight to c6, and now a captures on b6. In this position actually Tal captured this pawn, but instead of capturing this pawn, the best move actually, you can just simply eliminate this pawn. So after this move, black can develop his queen. Also there is a double attack for the moment, so you have to play bishop to c2 to protect this pawn. and the game continues. But after a captures on b6, Tal played knight captures on d4. But now there is a problem, because Petrosian just captured this knight. We have knight captures on d4 and queen captures on d4. Now we have b captures on a7, and you can see that this pawn is very strong now. For the moment this is protected by the rook, so white gets a very good fast pawn. This is a very strong fast pawn. Now we have rook f2 d8 and now rook to a3, because there is a double attack on this bishop. So rook to a3 just protecting this bishop. Now we have to bishop to a8. Now we have h3 by Petrosian and h6 by Tal. We have rook to c1 and now queen to b6. Now we have rook captures on c8 and rook captures on c8 by black. We have rook to a2 by white and now rook to c7. We have queen to e3 by white and now queen to b3, just attacking this rook. Now rook to a1 and now rook to d7. Now attacking this bishop twice by the rook and the queen. So this bishop is attacked twice by the rook and the queen. Now we have bishop to f1 and now queen to b2, again attacking this rook. Now we have queen to a3, because white will happily accept a queen trade, because the white has this massive fast pawn. Now we have queen to b6 and now queen to a5, again offering a queen trade. Now we have queen to b2 by Tal and now queen to a3 by Petrosian. Queen to b6, queen to a6. Now Tal will happily repeat this move because his position is not so great here. Now we have queen to c5 and now queen to b5. So if white trades queen, then this is winning for white. Now we have queen to d4 and now queen to a4. Queen to d6 now and now rook to b1. So just preparing rook to d8, rook to b8, and after rook to b8 this will be game over for black. So we have rook to d8 by black, just keeping an eye on this square. Now we have queen to a5. For the moment the queen can move anywhere, because just white is just putting pressure on this rook. Now we have king to h7 and now e5. e5 is a very strong move. You can see this is a very strong move, because after e5 you have to protect your rook, and you can really play queen to c7, because this is protected by the white queen. And so you have to play queen to d3, queen to d4 and now rook to b8. And now I have rook to d5 and now queen to e3. And in this position actually Miguel Gal resigned the game, because this is a totally lost position for white. So after queen to a3 is unmoved 38, and in this position Miguel Gal resigned the game, because if you play something like bishop to c6, then white can play rook to c8, just attacking this bishop. And you can really defend that one, because pawn to say a8 will be queen. So after you play something, then we can pick up this bishop, and this is a totally lost position, because so after queen to a3 black just resigned the game, because you can after bishop to c6 I have already shown that this is a lost position for black. So now this is the puzzle time. Also I have the standings of this tournament. So this is the standings of this tournament. Rosperi 1972. Now this is the puzzle time. white to play and win, find the best move for white in this position. If you solve it, then put your answer in the comment section, and thank you for watching.